Hi, Liv Ben Myers from Ben Myers International Movie Critics. Tonight we're going to talk about the United States film, The Art of Racing in the Rain. The Art of Racing in the Rain is a 2019 Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures distribution. Ben Myers rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars. This romance drama film is about a golden retriever tells his story on how he was adopted by a race car driver. Should you buy this ticket? Yes, buy that ticket. This is a wonderful film with a great storyline, presentation, and portrayal. They've been Myers. Have a great entertainment weekend.